Creative Haven YXE. And today we are going at Crafting with Sean. We are going to be making the Welcome Spring art.
Okay, so what's the first thing we're gonna do?
We are going to paint the bottom of this green.
Yes, so we'll take our plaque and we're gonna paint a little bit of green for what? What's the green?
For the grass.
Good job.
Get some green on this grass.
And what's your favorite thing about spring?
That it's warmer than winter.
That's right. So we don't have to wear big coats and boots and mitts and toques.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And hats and mitts, boots. We also don't have to wear sweaters under our coats and long sleeve shirts.
You like spring?
Yeah.
Are you excited for it to come?
And summer is my favorite. 'Cause it's so warm. We can wear sweaters, short sleeve shirts. We can go out and sand.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot more stuff better than summer, spring, and winter.
That's right.
Summer's the best season. We just want to do one coat.
That's right, because we like the pretty wood underneath, right? So we don't want to
Yeah.
cover that up too much. So you can still see the grains through your paint. That looks pretty. Yeah, you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So now you wanted to paint a sun.
There is our grass. There's our grass.
Okay. We'll set this aside to dry,
Mm-hmm.
and then once it's dry, we'll put our flowers on.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to assemble our flowers.
That's right. All right, so how do we do that?
So we take a big sized flower.
Yep.
And then we take a medium sized flower. Here we go.
Found it?
Okay. Okay, they all go all over the place. Then a medium sized flower. And then you take a small sized flower. There, which go all over the place.
All right.
And then you glue them together with a little drop of glue.
That's right. So right in the middle.
Push, push, push.
Okay, awesome. So now we're going to, when our plaque is dry, we're going to put all of our flowers on and draw our stems, and we've got our awesome Welcome to Spring sign. Do the top row first, and then we'll draw the stems, and then when that dries, we'll do the bottom row, and it will go over top of them a little bit. So that's okay. So which ones go on the top? The tallest ones. Okay, so we'll glue those ones down.